Hawaii is once again at the center of a deportation saga after a Kansas man in the process of being deported was jailed here in Honolulu. Lynn Kawano explains why this immigration battle is far from over and far from unusual under the Trump administration.
The chemistry professor was on a chartered plane from El Paso, Texas to Guam when it stopped in Honolulu to refuel about 2 o'clock Monday afternoon.
Syed Jamal was unexpectedly removed from the plane and taken to the federal detention center. The 55-year-old had been granted a midair temporary halt to his deportation.
Very stressful day. It's been very hectic. We're just trying to figure out what's going on.
Jamal had been in the United States for more than 30 years, studying, then working as a chemistry teacher at Kansas colleges. His children and brother are all American citizens, but Jamal overstayed his visa and was ordered deported in 2012. He was allowed to remain in the U.S. as long as he checked in with immigration annually and stayed out of trouble.
Under the Obama administration, there was a prosecutorial discretion that was favorably exercised in those kind of cases that would allow people to stay with their families. Now, under the Trump administration, all of the kind of warm and fuzzy language about humanitarian grounds and equities, ties that people have to their families and the community is off the table. So it's quite black and white.
Hawaii immigration attorney Claire Hanna says this is happening everywhere. Another case that gained national attention, Kona coffee farmer Andres Magana, who was deported to Mexico last year despite being in America since he was a teenager and having a family, all U.S. citizens. Hanna is now offering to help Jamal's Kansas attorney, who is trying to get his immigration case heard in a Hawaii courtroom or have him sent back to Missouri. It won't be easy being so far away, and he won't have access to a phone for at least a few days.
It's unclear how long Jamal will stay in Honolulu at the federal detention center or where he'll be sent to next. I'm Lynn Kawano, Hawaii News Now.